Hello, my name is Alun, and when I grow up, I want to be a farmer. Farmers are great because they do so much for us. Welsh farmers are proud to produce our food. Welsh farmers are proud to produce and care for our environment. And Welsh farmers are proud to produce our landscape. And there's no doubt it's a lot of hard work. And there's a lot of long hours. They do so much that we take for granted. That's why we're telling people to shout it from the hilltop! And tell your politicians too that we should all back Welsh farming.